Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course, guys, if you are stuck on the setup process, meaning if you are setting up your iPad for the first time, it doesn't really matter which one it is. Of course, this one is a iPad A16. And of course, when I was doing the setup process, I was constantly getting stuck. So of course, if for whatever reason, that screen that you saw before this video started, if you were stuck on any of those screens, where of course during the setup process it's just loading and it's meaning you lift it for 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, however long, and it would just not move, go ahead and get the included charger. You're going to plug it in, then simply plug it into your device. And what happens is that for whatever reason, the setup process just simply starts to go faster, and all of a sudden where you were stuck, it will just pass that screen. I do not know why. Maybe the included plugging in the adapter seems to give the device more juice and power, although I had 50% battery roughly. Plugging it in seems to give it enough power to simply bolt past that error where it's just stuck. I do not know why exactly, but that's my guess. All right, so by doing that, it will automatically pass and start. All right, so if for whatever reason that doesn't work, or you need to restart the process, you can always restart by pressing volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power button, and it will ask it to slide, and you can actually slide to restart, or you can simply press volume up, volume down, power. So that's up, volume down, volume, power. Press and hold. Even when you see the slider, you could still keep holding power and it will restart. You can do either option. All right, and it will restart. When it starts back up, the process will start over. Do not worry. You can always start over the process and redo. All right, you can also, if all else fail, but I'm sure the first method of plugging it in will work. If all else fail, you can actually place your device in download mode, attach it to your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and then go ahead and restore your device. All right, so that's using the basically going to the device when it shows up, show Explorer, and hooking it up to your Apple laptop, and then simply hit restore. All right, so that should work out. I gave you 3 options. All right, but don't worry, the first should work. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.